why you keep me waiting. Charmaine cries in vain. I wonder when bluebirds are mating, will you come back again? I wonder if I keep on praying, will our dreams be the same? I wonder if ever you think of me too. Charmaine, I'm just waiting for you. And I'm hoping I'll be your sweetheart if you will be mine. All my life I'll be your Valentine. Bluebells I've gathered, keep them and be true. When I'm a man, my plan will be to marry you. When I grow too old to dream, I'll have you to remember. And when I grow too old to dream, your love will live in my heart. So kiss me, my sweet, and so let us part. And when I grow too old to dream, that kiss will live in my heart. Who's taking you home tonight after the dance is through? Who's going to hold you tight and whisper, I love you, I do? Who's the lucky boy that's going your way to kiss you goodnight at your doorway? Who's taking you home tonight? Darling, it's plain to see. I'm pleading, please let it be me. And don't forget, you need hands to hold someone you care for. You need hands to show that you're sincere. When you feel nobody wants to know you, you need hands to brush away the tears. When you hold a brand new baby, you'll need tender hands to guide him on his way. You need hands to thank the Lord for living and for giving us this day. And remember, when you hold a brand new baby, you need tender hands to guide them on their way. You need hands to thank the Lord for living and for giving